My name is Jamie Bellow, and I own and operate Chicago Food Truck Hub. 17 Hats has been a game changer. We have been able to manage more events, send more proposals, and with everything from the workflows to the proposal templates, the automated invoices and contracts, everything is really geared toward making things user-friendly for our client. It helps us immensely, and so we're looking forward to being able to leverage 17 Hats more to grow and do more things so that we're able to increase our productivity and be able to continue doing great work.